everyone, welcome to Vishesh Educational Videos. So in this video, I'm explaining about sys.exit function in Python. So what is the use of sys.exit? I'm going to discuss that in this video. Suppose if you're not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel. To get the notification of my new videos, please click the bell icon. And please don't forget to like the video and please don't forget to share the video with your friends. So let me begin the explanation of sys.exit function in Python. Right. So you know that every program is going to be terminated whenever it reaches the bottom of the instructions. You know that. So every program is going to get terminated once it reaches the last instruction. But suppose assume that if you want to terminate a program in the midway itself, right? We can pass the program to terminate or exit in the midway itself by calling the sys.exit function. Yes, we can do that. We can terminate the program in the middle itself. If we don't want to wait for the termination to happen after the execution of the last statement, no. If we don't want to do that, we can terminate the program anytime by using a sys.exit function. Since this function is in the sys module, that is in the sys standard library, we have to import that sys module before your program can use it. For example, see here. So this program import sys. I am importing sys. Why I am importing? Because I have to use sys.exit function. It is in the library sys. That's why I am importing sys. While true, this is a while loop I am using. Print type exit to exit. So it is printing like that, and it will ask the user for the input. So if I type exit, it will store that exit string in the variable response, and next it will check whether the value what I have entered is equal to a string exit. That is a right whatever what I have entered, that is in the variable response, that my response is compared with the keyword exit. So if my response is exit, it is match. So if my response is exit, it's a match. That's why it will call sys.exit. So once it calls sys.exit, it will terminate your program. After terminating your program, it will print you typed exit. You typed exit. Why means response. What is the response here? Exit. My response. So you typed exit. It will print you typed exit. So sys.exit can be used to terminate your program anytime. You right. It's not a rule that you should wait for the last instructions to get executed. Okay, to terminate the program. Right. So this program has an infinite loop with no break statement inside because it always evaluates to true, right? But only when you type a exit, then only it will come out of the loop by calling the sys.exit. Okay, so okay, so that's it, guys. Suppose if you have any doubts, please post your doubts in the comment section. Thank you for watching the video.